The internal rift in the Aam Aadmi Party continues to take new twists every day. Now, former AAP MLA Rajesh Garg alleges that Kejriwal camp made calls to AAP leaders claiming to be BJP and tried to poach MLAs in order to cause rift within the party. I have my colleague Pooja tracking all the details for us, but first let's listen in to what Rajesh Garg had to say.
फोन कॉल्स रात को लेट नाइट सुबह सभी एमएलएस को आ रही थी। मुझे भी आई थी कि अरुण जेटली साहब के ऑफिस से बोल रहे हैं और 10 करोड़ रुपए आपको दे देंगे यदि आप बीजेपी को सपोर्ट कर दें। तो जब विधायक दल की हमारी मीटिंग हुई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब के अंदर, तो वहां पर सभी एमएलएज ने इस बात को रखा कि साहब फोन आए थे, किसी ने कहा नितिन गडकरी के नाम से आए थे, किसी ने कहा कि अरुण जेटली के नाम से। मुझे अरुण जेटली के नाम से आया था और प्राइवेट नंबर से आया था। तो मैंने उस नंबर का स्क्रीनशॉट लिया और एक कंप्लेंट बना के रात को ही पुलिस को कॉल किया और उनको इन्फॉर्म किया और कंप्लेंट सबमिट कर दी। संजय सिंह जी का फोन आया कि उस कंप्लेंट को विड्रॉ कर लो। कंप्लेंट तो मैंने विड्रॉ नहीं की, लेकिन इन लोगों ने मैनेज किया और पुलिस से उस आदमी को छुड़वा लिया और ये रिकॉर्ड पर है। मेरा जो कहने का मतलब ये है, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि गडकरी साहब के ऑफिस से फोन नहीं आए होंगे या अरुण जेटली के यहाँ से नहीं आए, जो बाद में चला है सारा एपिसोड, लेकिन उस दौरान सारी की सारी कॉल अरविंद जी के सहमति से उनके लोगों द्वारा कराई गई थी, प्राइवेट नंबर से, अननोन नंबर से, और बाद में वो एक्सपोज हो गए थे।
Pooja, coming to you, what Rajesh Garg in fact is trying to say is that the Arvind Kotri tried to fuel the fire and they tried to perhaps aggravate the rift. Is that what he's saying? I mean, what exactly is he trying to hint at?
Well, basically a few months back, there was this allegation against the BJP that it was calling out to the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, former MLAs then, and asking them to join the BJP to break the Aam Aadmi Party. And it was definitely a serious allegation. Now, how this rebel member of the Aam Aadmi Party and a former MLA himself is saying that he's accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of planting these stories. That in fact those calls did not come from the BJP's office but from the Aam Aadmi Party's office to defame the BJP. Now of course the question is, when I spoke to Rajesh Garg, he's clearly denied any sort of an evidence that he would have. He said he's gone to the police. He's in fact filed a complaint also is what he said. But this is what he's in fact implying via his complaints, that this was basically an attempt to defame the BJP just before Delhi elections, that BJP didn't really call the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. If it did, it was not for him. The calls that he had been receiving in the name of a senior leader of the BJP was basically from the Aam Aadmi Party itself. So definitely a serious allegation there coming from Rajesh Garg, but considering he's a rebel member, how will the Aam Aadmi Party want to respond to it? Because clearly the AAP would like to say that he's doing it out of selfish reasons, he's doing it for vindictive interest. But as of now, I can tell you that Rajesh Garg is extremely confident, and he says that all these calls that were coming to him and to some other people as well in the party were not from the BJP, but in fact from the AAP.